Southern California's strongest atmospheric river storm of the winter will arrive Thursday, and is expected to bring major flooding to roads and a high risk of mudslides. Rain on Thursday is expected to peak and end slightly earlier than previously forecast. The heaviest rain is expected to hit Los Angeles County between 3 and 10 p.m., triggering an increased risk of damaging debris flows in the region's fire scars. Across the region, flooded roads, mudslides, shallow mudslides and damage from strong winds are possible as the storm moves through. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
This is our main stream with one block below.
Got plenty of rain, that's for sure. Need rain, but I don't like to be out in the rain.
Wow.
Forecasters warned that conditions could deteriorate quickly without warning and advised people to park away from trees. In the Los Angeles area, sheriff's deputies and police went to homes to warn residents at high risk of being hit by debris flows to evacuate or at least prepare. According to local officials, more than 100 homes in the fire zone are under mandatory evacuation orders in Los Angeles province.